is going to have a very strong people flavor. And one of the things you are going to witness this year is that we are introducing the concept of the Hustler Bazaars. The Hustler Bazaars are going to be customized spaces for ordinary Kenyans to interact with the rally. Interact with the rally in the sense of viewing the rally, being part of the thrills and spills that the safari rally is associated with, but we're also giving an opportunity to make money in the rally ecosystem. We want traders to be in these bazaars. We are telling
this development was done to ensure that we meet the international standards required to host a World Rally Championship event. I am happy because we rank among the top in terms of the facility provided here. Going forward, as we prepare for the 2023 event, I am happy that the minister has found it necessary to be the first to start us off and to see exactly what we are doing.
This is where everything happens. This is literally where all the teams, the secretariats, on the secretariat and the technical team and all the FIA, this is basically where everything happens.